Eva RV here. Happy Saturday. I happen to be out on the lot doing a lot inventory and I saw this beautiful unit that I haven't done a video on yet. So today is a good day. The sun is shining. The rain has finally ebbed a little bit. So I thought I'd do a little video for you guys. Right now I'm standing inside the 2022 Primetime Avenger 27 DBS. This is the perfect little family coach. We have double over double bunks. We have a trifold sofa. We have a U-shaped dinette, which is massive. We have beautiful barn doors for the bedroom. We have a massive TV, which you can't see, but you will. We have a beautiful 12-volt fridge and a little barbecue on the outside. So this is light enough to be towed by most half tons, fits perfectly into most campsites. And to be fair and honest, Primetime did an amazing job with the color scheme on this unit. As you can see, we got the whites and the light woods, and they did a really nice job. You'll just have to come in and have a look. Also, before I do the video, I wanted to remind you guys of our no GST sale that goes on today. Today's the last day. So if you're looking for a trailer, you're looking to trade up, trade in, you want to buy this one, this is a good time to come in because you don't pay tax. And who likes to pay tax? Nobody. So without further ado, I'll show you guys this video and let me know what you think in the comments.